I have loved you too much not to hate you.
I've got to go now.
No way, no way. I won't let go.
Sorry, my sister is waiting for me.
Please, I've got something to tell you. Please sit down. Okay, please.
What? Tell me.
Will you please marry me?
I will.
It's time to go. I won't let you go, baby. It's time to go. I don't want you go, baby. Every time you come to my place, I've pointed out you never change your pace. I want you to stay. Spend the night together. Years go by still no commitment on your behalf. Day after day, you keep telling me, just hold your horses, the future looks bright. You wait for me to pop the question at the right time. Baby, baby, I need your love. I need your love good. I need your love. Baby, I need your love for good. I need your love forever. If you know how much I love you, you'll be back in a minute. We'll be together and forever. You are the star, you are the rain, and you are the fire. I'm actually gonna need to be honest. I will leave no stone unturned to get back my see her. I couldn't get enough of your love since you left. I wish I could be in the space, then I would see you there. Baby, I need your love. I need your good. I need you forever. That's for sure.